Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cool knot braid that looks really complicated, but it's actually really easy to do. Start off by taking a small section of hair from each side of the head. Then you want to tie those two sections into a basic knot at the back of the head, making sure that you pull them tight across the back. Then secure the ends together with a clear baby elastic. Spray some texture spray onto the hair and then carefully pull on the edges of the knot to give it some extra volume and create a bubbled look. And then just repeat those steps again, tying the next knot right on top of that first elastic. And then just continue tying new knots as far down as you'd like. You could go all the way down to the ends of your hair to create a cool mermaid braid, or you can do what I'm doing and stop after 3 to create a half-up look. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!